If you're looking for the best GoPro cameras, here's a list you must see. We made this list based on our personal preference and sorted it based on their features, prices, quality, durability, and reputation of the manufacturers and customer feedback. Also, we've included options for every type of customer. So let's get started. At the first position of our list, we have GoPro Hero 9 Black. If you want a camera that performs similarly, but you aren't willing to spend as much, we recommend the GoPro Hero 9 Black. While you can get older models for even less, this is the latest flagship GoPro behind the GoPro Hero 9 Black and offers many of the same features, including a front-facing live view screen that you can use to monitor yourself while recording and 5x video capability. It's advertised to be waterproof to a depth of 33 ft and, for the most part, has a very similar design and the same sturdy feel as the Hero 9. Its hyper-smooth digital stabilization feature does a fantastic job smoothing out camera shake, though enabling it does incur a noticeable crop. It offers several frame rate options, including 5x up to 30 fps, 4x up to 60 fps, and 1080p up to 240 fps, allowing you to shoot a range of video styles to suit your needs, from smooth, fast action footage to slow-motion video. Moving on to the next at number 2 with GoPro Hero 9 Black. The GoPro Hero 9 Black is the best GoPro that we've tested. This latest flagship model features the latest technology GoPro has to offer and has an upgraded processor that's advertised to give it smoother overall performance as well as improve its low-light video quality. This camera can record high-quality 5.3 video at up to 60 fps and 4K up to 120 fps and 2.7 and 1080p up to 240 fps. That means you can capture a wide array of footage, from smooth fast action to slow motion, in a variety of resolutions. Its hyper-smooth stabilization does an exceptional job smoothing out camera shake, although it does incur a slight crop to your footage. The camera also has a horizon leveling feature that keeps your videos level even when tilting the camera from side to side. It's also advertised to be waterproof to a depth of 33 ft, and you can easily mount it to any number of action rigs, helmets, and objects, making it suitable for all kinds of extreme sports. The number 3 position is held by GoPro Hero 8 Black. Though it's an older model, it's still a very capable action camera. It's highly portable, even a tad smaller, and lighter than either the GoPro Hero 9 Black or the GoPro Hero 9 Black. It has the same sturdy build quality you might expect, and it's also waterproof to an advertised depth of 33 ft. It has 4 different digital lens simulations that let you adjust the field of view from a classic wide angle with fisheye effect to a more linear field of view. Although it doesn't shoot 5x video like the others, it can still record 4K video up to 60 fps and 1080p up to 240 fps for up to 8x slow-motion footage of high-speed action. It uses an older version of GoPro's hyper-smooth stabilization, but it still does a fantastic job smoothing out camera shake. The only downside is that enabling it introduces an even greater 1.5x crop on your footage. Next at number 4, we have GoPro Hero 8 Black e-commerce packaging. The GoPro Hero 8 shoots video in 4K resolution with amazing experimental features you can use to improve the dynamic of your videos, such as super slow-mo, the hyper-smooth that allows 3 levels of stabilization, and an impressive frame rate capability. Its waterproof limit is down to 10 meters, and the microphone quality is improved by a noise-eliminating feature that enables a clear audio experience. The camera also comes with a media mod feature that enables you to control the light and contrast in the images, as well as add another screen to the process that makes it possible for you to compare 2 scenarios with different setups. The number 5 position is held by GoPro Hero 9 Action Camera. This GoPro option has a 5x video recording capability, allowing you to get great image detail even when zooming in images. The camera also has an exclusive photography feature that automatically picks the best image processing for you. The product also has the Hypersmooth 3.0 feature, and an even more advanced stabilization enabler that will surely make your videos more fluid. Meanwhile, the Time Warp 3.0 feature allows you to capture images and transform them into beautiful time lapses as you move around, or with a still camera if you prefer it. There are some user complaints that expose some problems regarding the audio capturing and freezing screen moments when recording or in video files that became corrupted for some reason. Although these reports are few, they should be taken into account before purchasing the camera. The number 6 position is dominated by GoPro Hero 7 Black. This GoPro Hero may not be the one with the most high-quality features, but it comes at a more affordable price compared to other GoPros, and it's still a very solid camera overall. The video shooting has up to a 4K resolution, although there are some user reports that point out an overheating problem when shooting at this resolution for an extended period of time, making the Hero 7 not the best option available if you want to shoot at an excellent resolution for too long. It would be safe to say it's a more affordable option for a reason. You can still get some pretty good images shooting in 1440p or 1080p and also save a little bit of battery in the process, since the low battery life seems to be a problem with almost all of the GoPro cameras. Moving on to the next at number 7 with AKASO Brave 4 420 Wi-Fi action camera. The AKASO Brave 4 is a very consistent little camera that also comes at a really affordable price, special for those adventurous parents and kids that are a little short on budget at the moment. This camera records videos in a resolution of up to 4K, up to 24th, and has a built-in smart gyroscope that enables an anti-shaking feature, making your videos as smooth as ever. The product also has a more powerful water resistance feature when comparing it to the GoPro options. You can use it at full capacity down to a depth of 30 meters in water. The product comes along with 2 extra batteries and a 19 accessories kit that will surely help you to position your camera in a great number of ways, shooting some very interesting and dynamic material. The number 8 position is held by PROGRACE Children Kids Camera. This PROGRACE camera was made specifically for a kid to handle it with ease. The camera is very light and small-sized, appropriate for a kid's hands to handle without any difficulty. There's also a mini-game feature that will distract and entertain children in between video recordings. The camera shoots in a resolution up to 1080p, up to 24th, which is not the highest quality, and for the price you pay for and the children's experience can be considered extremely satisfactory. Common user complaints refer to a poor/mediocre audio quality in video recordings, as well as a photo quality that isn't ideal. Next at number 9, we have Ourlife Kids Camera. Another camera option advertised as a great choice for kids. This Ourlife camera seems to fit the bill just fine for their targeted clientele. You can shoot video in a resolution up to 1080p here, with photos up to a 2 quality. The camera also comes along with some colorful filter options that can please a kid's eyes, as well as 6 funny picture frames they can try out and have fun with. A time-lapse feature is also present, a very welcome surprise for a camera at such an affordable price like this one. Finally, the number 10 position is dominated by Apexcam Action Camera. This Apexcam Action Camera alternative comes along at a great price while still delivering some awesome features and a solid quality video recording. Although extremely resourceful for its price, the camera presents troubling behavior when shooting in 4K, with a weak frame rate and freezing screens being some of the problems reported. The fact that the battery compartment needs a screwdriver to be opened also doesn't seem to please most of the camera's buyers. That's all for today. We upload tech product review videos every single day, so don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for the upcoming video notification.